Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable developer option in Microsoft Excel. The developer tab provides advanced tools for creating macros and using Visual Basic for Application or VBA, which helps automate tasks and improve efficiency. By accessing the developer option, you can streamline your workflow and unlock powerful features that makes Excel even more versatile. So let's get started and open Excel. Let's go to blank workbook. And here, if you can see, I am not able to see a developer option here. So right click on any empty space here and go to customize the ribbon. In customize ribbon, you can come to the main tab under customize the ribbon and you can find here the developer option and you can select it. Once we selected this developer option, we can click on OK, and now we should be able to see the developer option and we could start using it here. So that's it about today's simple and to the point video. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. ITPK.